Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs of July 11th and 12th 2021 from today's importance. So on this day it is celebrated as World Population Day. World Population Day is observed annually on 11th July to focus attention on the urgency and importance of population issues. And on July 12th it's Paper Bag Day and National Simplicity Day. Paper Bag Day is observed on 12th July annually to recognize the importance of an invention of paper bag. We mostly take it for granted. In 1852, Francis Wole, a school teacher, invented the first machine to mass produce paper bags. And coming to the National Simplicity Day, it is observed annually on July 12th to honor Henry David, who was an author, philosopher, historian, tax registrar, abolitionist, development critic, surveyor. Basically, he was an advocate for living a life of simplicity. And coming to the current affairs, and the first question is, which of the following organization has signed a contract worth about 499 crores with the Ministry of Defence? And the options are A. HAL, B. BDL, C. ISRO, and D. BRO. And the correct answer is B. BDL. For the manufacture and supply of Akash missiles to the Indian Air Force, BDL has signed a contract worth about 499 crore rupees with the Ministry of Defence. BDL means Bharat Dynamics Limited. It is founded in 1970 and headquartered in Hyderabad. And the second question is, External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has visited which country on July 9 to 10, 2021? And the options are A. Zambia, B. Zimbabwe, C. Georgia, and D. Italy. And the correct answer is C. Georgia. This is the first visit of an Indian External Affairs Minister to independent Georgia. And the third question is, which state has announced a grant of 6 crores to Olympic gold medalist recently? And the options are A. Gujarat, B. Maharashtra, C. Tamil Nadu, and D. Odisha. And the correct answer is D. Odisha. Silver medalist would be given prize money of 4 crores and bronze medalist is 2.5 crores. Government has given 15 lakhs to sports persons in the state for participating in Olympics. And the fourth question is, Union Cabinet approves MOC between CCI and which country Fair Trade Commission? And the options are A. Russia, B. UAE, C. Japan, and D. Thailand. And the correct answer is C. Japan. It is to promote and strengthen cooperation in the matter of competition law and policy. And the fifth question is, which of the following state has launched Maha Arogya Skills Development Program? And the options are A. Maharashtra, B. Assam, C. Gujarat, and D. Telangana. And the correct answer is A. Maharashtra. Under which 20,000 youths will be provided training from 36 different healthcare courses. A budget of 20 crore rupees has been drawn up for this program. And the sixth question is, Which of the following state launched the government health scheme for its employees? And the options are A. Gujarat, B. Rajasthan, C. Assam, and D. Himachal Pradesh. And the correct answer is B. Rajasthan. UTS, employees appointed after Jan 1, 2004 will get cashless treatment up to 10 lakhs, cashless IPD treatment facility up to 5 lakhs for employees appointed after January 1st, 2004. And the seventh question is, who launched the book Pregnancy Bible published by Juggernaut Books? And the options are A. Kajol Devgan, B. Sara Ali Khan, C. Kareena Kapoor, and D. Alia Bhatt. And the correct answer is C. Kareena Kapoor. Kareena Kapoor launched the book Pregnancy Bible published by Juggernaut Books. And the eighth question is, which of the following organization along with AICTE launch regular MTech program in defense technology? And the options are A. ISRO, B. IAF, C. IDST, and D. DRDO. And the correct answer is D. DRDO. IDST will provide support to the institutes for conducting this program. All India Council for Technical Education, founded in 1945, and chairman is Sahasra Bude, where DRDO is Defense Research and Development Organization, founded in 1958, and chairman was G.S. Reddy. And the ninth question is, in which state India's railway map as first passenger train reaches the state? And the options are A. Mizoram, B. Manipur, C. Assam, and D. Arunachal Pradesh. And the correct answer is B. Manipur. Rajdhani Express from Assam's Silchar reached the Wangai Chunpao in Manipur. Train covered the distance of 11 kilometers between the two northeastern stations. And the 10th question is, RBI approved the reappointment of Shyam Srinivasan as MD and CEO of which of the following banks? And the options are A. Federal Bank, B. Indian Bank, C. Punjab National Bank, and D. Coastal Bank. And the correct answer is A. Federal Bank. Shyam Srinivasan is again reappointed as MD and CEO of Federal Bank. And the 11th question is, which of the following state or UT announced a grant of 3 crores to the Olympic gold medalist recently? And the options are A. Punjab, B. Assam, C. Delhi, and D. Tamil Nadu. And the correct answer is C. Delhi. Silver medalist would be given prize money of 2 crores and bronze medalist is 1 crore. 10 lakhs will be also been awarded to all the coaches of athletes who receive medals. Athletes from Delhi are Deepak Kumar, Manika Batra, Amoji Jacob, and Sarthak Bambri. And the 12th question is, P. Krishnankutti Warrior passed away recently. He is renowned for which profession? And the options are A. Neurologist, B. Orthopedic specialist, C. Both A and B, and D. Ayurveda practitioner. And the correct answer is D. Ayurveda practitioner. He is an Indian Ayurveda practitioner. He was the chief physician and managing trustee of Arya Vaidya Sala. P.K. Warrior was born on 5th June 1921 in Kottakal, Malappuram, Kerala. In 1999, he was awarded an honorary D.Litt by University of Calicut. He has won Kerala Sahitya Academy Award for biography and autobiography for Smriti Parvam in 2008. He was awarded the 30th Dhanvantri Award by the M.H. Governor Alexander, and Warrior received the Padma Shri in 1999 and the Padma Bhushan Award in 2010. He also received International Bhupal Man Singh Award from Nepal. Vaidyaratnam P.S. Warrior founded Arya Vaidya Sala in 2002. In 1902, at Kottakal, Warrior was conferred the title of Vaidyaratnam by Government British India in 1933. And the 13th question is, who will be representing India in the men's 50 kilometers race walk event at Tokyo 2020? And the options are A. S. Nataraj, B. Sumit Malik, C. Gurpreet Singh, and D. Both A and C. And the correct answer is C. Gurpreet Singh. Gurpreet Singh is the only Indian athlete to qualify for 50 kilometers race walk event from India. And the 14th question is, who won the 47th edition of the Copa America Cup 2021? And the options are A. Brazil, B. Argentina, C. Scotland, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Argentina. Final match between Brazil and Argentina is held at Maracanã Stadium, Brazil. This match is organized by South America's football ruling body, CONMEBOL. Pipe was selected as the official mascot for the tournament. La Gozadera by Cuban Dio Gente di Zona was revealed as the official song of the tournament. And the 15th question is, India's first maritime arbitration center to set up in, and the 15th question is, India's first maritime arbitration center to set up in which of the following states? And the options are A. Gujarat, B. Punjab, C. Delhi, and D. West Bengal. And the correct answer is A. Gujarat. The center is to set up in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. And the 16th question is, who is the author of the book titled The Light of Asia? And the options are A. Ravi Shastri, B. Indira Nooyi, C. Kareena Kapoor, and D. Jairam Ramesh. And the correct answer is D. Jairam Ramesh. It is a biography of an epic biopoem on the Buddha. And the 17th question is, who among the following won women's singles title at Wimbledon 2021? And the options are A. Kerber, B. K. Pliskova, C. Aryna Sabalenka, and D. Aisling Barty. And the correct answer is D. She is from Australia, Aisling Barty. This is Barty's second Grand Slam singles title, first French Open title in 2019. And the 18th question is, which of the following state is planning to introduce the Model Tenancy Act in the state? And the options are A. Karnataka, B. Kerala, C. Madhya Pradesh, and D. Maharashtra. And the correct answer is A. Karnataka. Karnataka state is planning to introduce the Model Tenancy Act. And the one-liners are, Pawan Singh becomes first Indian jury member for shooting at Tokyo Olympics. He is the founder and director of the Gun for Glory Shooting Academy in Balewadi. And Maharashtra becomes first state to cross 3.5 crore vaccine doses milestone. Isaac Herzog has been sworn in as 11th President of Israel. Herzog replaced Reuven Rivlin, who has served as the president for the past 7 years. Argentinian racing legend Carlos Reutemann has passed away. And Amazon has launched its first digital Kendra in India in Surat, Gujarat. Nagma Muhammad Malik appointed India's next ambassador to Poland. Zaira Avantgarde becomes first African American to win Scripps National Spelling Bee. EAM External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar to attend SCO Foreign Ministers meeting on 13th-14th July in Dushanbe. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay safe, stay home.